stiff and achy in your neck and have habit of cracking the neck to relieve the pain? Well, don't do that. It can hurt your neck in the long run. Instead, try this mobility. Sit with chin tuck, bring your chin to the chest, rotate your head left and right 3 times. Now look up as far as comfortable and turn your head left and right 3 times. Next, sit tall, chin tuck, bring your ear to the shoulder by side, rotate your head up and down 3 times. Last one is turn your head as far as you can and then bring your chin to the collarbone 3 times and your neck will thank you.